Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Kapwing app on iPhone. Having a powerful yet easy to use editing app on your iPhone is a game changer, and one such tool is Kapwing, a popular online editor known for creating videos, memes, and social media content quickly. While Kapwing is mainly web-based, iPhone users can still access and use it just as an app. And in this guide, I'll walk you step by step on how to download and install and start using Kapwing on your iPhone. So first, you need to open your iPhone and open to your App Store. Over here on the bottom, you can find there's a search icon. Tap on the search icon and type down Kapwing and search for it. And over here, we can just find this Kapwing video editor. What you can do is select there and tap on the get beside it. And in order to download, you need to double click to install it and confirm it with your Face ID, Lock ID, and your fingerprint as well. And that is it. This is how you can download and install Kapwing app on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.